Hello, Christine Halsey here, and I want to show you how to access your Pulse survey results. So most of the courses, this section is at the top of your course shell, but I tend to move it to the bottom as soon as the course starts, so when I'm sharing my screen, my students don't see it. So mine is going to be at the bottom, and it's called Faculty Resources. And in this section, you'll see down here Pulse Survey Feedback Results. You can have it adjust and just look at week 1 by itself. Then you can move on to week 2, look at week 2, look at week 3, or you can view all the weeks at once. So use that, then we read the comments and kind of gauge how things are going, and then go make an announcement and call it Pulse Survey Feedback so they know that you're reading that feedback and you're responding to it. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great evening, and please let me know if I can assist you in any way.